Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial on how to moderate a session in Hopin. Once you have logged into Hopin, you will see your event listed on the home page. So what you want to do is click on the event, and then it will allow you to enter the event. Once you are in the event homepage, over to the left, you will click on the Sessions tab. And that will bring up a list of all the conference sessions. So you will just scroll and find the session that you are going to moderate. Once you find that session, just click anywhere on the session and it will take you into the session. You will get a welcome message and then you will be given the option to share your audio and video. You will click on that blue button and you'll see a pop-up menu that will allow you to set your speaker and microphone settings. Once that is done, click Apply and it will take you into the session. And at this point, any attendees will be able to see your camera or your screen and they will be able to hear you. You can turn off your camera by clicking this button down at the bottom, the video camera button. You can leave it up if you like, but you can also disable it. You can also mute yourself by clicking on this microphone button right here. And even though you as a moderator can share your screen, that will be for the presenter. So right now, my window right here is pretty large because I'm the only person in the session. Once the presenter has joined the session, they will be on there and so it will be shared. It'll be a lot smaller. Once the presenter shares their screen, you'll be able to see the shared screen on the session window, and they will no longer be inside of the Hopin tab. So your job as the moderator will be to moderate the chat, and if somebody says, for example, that they cannot see or hear the speaker, your job will be to make sure that that is fixed. If there are any questions, if the speaker opens it up to any questions, then you can relay the questions to the speaker from the chat. You also have the ability to allow others to share their audio and video. Now, I am not an attendee in this screen, so the button is not showing up for me, but for all the attendees, they will have a button on the top right that says Request to Share Audio and Video. Once they click that button, there will be a pop-up here at the bottom left of your screen that tells you that a particular attendee is requesting to share their audio and video. If you click on that button, you can give them permission to share, and then they will be able to share audio and video. Once they are done, they can choose to stop sharing, or you can stop the share for them. So you can have up to 5 people, or maybe it's 10. I'm not 100% sure. It's between 5 and 10 people sharing at one time. And it's up to the presenter how many people they want on there sharing audio and video at once. But again, people can share on and off so that people can take turns. So as the moderator, you will be monitoring the chat box. You will also be allowing people to share their audio and video. The last thing you're going to do is just to make sure that there are no technical glitches. If you, for some reason, don't have the ability to let people share audio and video, or something happens and the presenter cannot share their screen, that is when you will contact Terry Wimborne, the conference organizer, and ask her to check the settings of the session, because it could be just a simple settings error. And that happens very quickly. So your job is just to make sure that there are no technical issues like that. And again, moderate the chat and allow people to share audio and video off and on. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and good luck with your sessions.